So, my name is Thanassis Giannetsos. I'm the head of digital security and trust computing group at UBITECH. One of our main area of expertise is on designing security and privacy protocols, and we are actually working in connected cars. And this is one of the main visions, of the main innovations we are aiming for in the context of Connect. So Connect is actually dealing with presenting a new trust assessment framework in the context of connected car. So essentially, as we are reaching more and more into the era of autonomous driving, we need to rely more on the correct behavior, the correct execution of everything running inside the car. So this requires the design of new security protocols, new dynamic trust assessment framework, and this is what we are aiming for in actually achieving in Assured. And we are pretty happy we have a very strong consortium combining expertise from academia, but also from the industry and also OEMs. We have, for instance, Denso, we have CRF from Italy, and we are very, very excited that we will achieve very good results. So, since the main vision of Connect is actually on enhancing the security and operational assurance on connected cars, this is what is exciting here. So, we should be able, by the results of the project, to enable this transition of actually going to the autonomous driving. And this requires, again, as we mentioned, that we designed security mechanisms both in vehicle, in the context of the cars, but also as car communicating with other cars and with other roadside units and all of the other entities that make this connected car ecosystem a reality. So the interesting part when it comes to challenges is that we have a lot of research questions that we need to answer, especially as we're talking about such dynamic and complex systems. It's not very easy when we're talking about providing evidence about the correctness of a function running inside the car. So, for instance, one vehicle comprises thousands of ECUs, so we need to be able to have evidence about the correct behavior of an ECU, and then to be able to translate this evidence on the correct behavior of a vehicle on the road. So this is one of the main challenges when we're talking about the research perspective. Another challenge is, again, because we are talking about designing multiple artifacts as outputs of Connect, we need to be able to integrate them and test them and showcase how they work in the context, again, of cars. So these are two of the main challenges. They are interdependent, but again, because we are having such a strong consortium, we are pretty committed and we are pretty sure that we will be able to actually have the results we are aiming for. So that's very interesting because in the last couple of years, there has been a lot of discussion about autonomous driving, especially with the innovation that we have from Tesla and also Elon Musk, which is a personality that is always talking about electric vehicles, connected cars. So I think that now we're at the stage that many people of the young generation, they are actually aware of what is the vision of connected cars. And since they are actually listening, so they are having a lot of information broadcasted to them by all of this news, all of these interviews, they all understand that yes, we are going towards this direction. They can see the benefits of what connected cars can offer, because we are actually now having, in the context of electric vehicles, some sort of automation. So they understand the importance of security and safety that this type of systems they can bring. So everyone is excited, and I'm pretty sure also the young generation that they have seen the benefits and what this can offer about making more secure and getting towards the realization of actually having this type of automation on the road. So the other interesting, the last point that I would like to mention is that, so this is one of the main priorities now of Europe when it comes to being able to enhance the security of this type of systems. So we are very happy that we are pioneers in this domain, and not only that, but hopefully the designs and the systems that we should be able to create within Connect, they can then enable research in other important domains of our life. Because we are having a lot of similarities, a lot of overlaps from connected cars with smart manufacturing when it comes to security requirements. So this type of research will actually also benefit other domains.